Looking to discover some of the coolest tech and clever products all in one place? These incredible gadgets you can find at Best Buy are here to make everyday life easier, smarter, and a whole lot more fun. From useful home upgrades to eye-catching tech, there's something here that might instantly end up on your wish list. All product links are in the description below. A cinema in your pocket, seriously. This ultra-compact projector is small enough to hold in one hand, yet throws an image up to 150 inches wide on any flat surface. It supports 4K resolution and displays over 16 million colors, so the picture looks sharp and vivid whether you're indoors or outside under the stars. A built-in speaker means you don't need to bring anything extra. Just point it at a wall and press play. Connect via HDMI, USB, or micro SD depending on what you're playing from. Dead battery anxiety? Never again. This heavyweight power bank carries enough charge to refill a laptop, a tablet, and multiple phones all at the same time. The 140-watt fast charging port can push a MacBook Pro to 54% in just 30 minutes, so you're never stuck waiting around for power. A smart TFT display shows you exactly how much battery is left, how long until it's full, and the precise power flowing to each device. Your skincare routine just got its own real estate. This compact beauty fridge keeps your serums, face masks, and eye creams perfectly chilled because cold skincare products feel incredible and actually last longer. The mirror door with an adjustable LED ring means it doubles as a vanity mirror, so it earns its spot on your dresser or bathroom counter twice over. It cools and warms, so you can chill a refreshing drink or warm up a face towel depending on your mood. Every console you ever loved, one device you can hold in your hand. This vertical handheld runs Android 13, meaning it doesn't just play retro classics, it streams Xbox, PlayStation, and PC games straight from the cloud too. The sharp 4-inch touchscreen scales old-school games perfectly, so your childhood favorites look exactly as you remember them. Hall effect joysticks deliver precise, responsive controls that won't drift or wear out over time. Plug it into a TV via USB-C and it outputs at 1080p for big screen retro sessions on the couch. Stress doesn't stand a chance. This wall-mounted boxing target turns your spare wall into a full workout station in minutes. 9 speed levels and 9 training modes mean total beginners and seasoned fighters both get a proper challenge. Connect your playlist via Bluetooth, and the colorful LED lights actually flash in sync with the music, making every session feel like a workout and a light show at once. Straight out of a 1950s diner and onto your countertop. This compact jukebox stands just 15 inches tall, but fills any room with serious retro personality. 5 color-changing LED tubes glow and pulse, giving you that classic neon diner look without leaving your kitchen. Stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth, tune into FM radio, or plug in directly with the aux jack. It plays whatever you throw at it. The arcade shrunk down to fit your shelf. This mini retro arcade cabinet is built from real wood and comes loaded with 5 classic Sonic games right out of the box. No downloads, no subscriptions, no internet needed. The 3.5-inch full-color display brings every loop and spin dash to life in crisp detail. A volume knob and headphone jack mean you can play quietly without bothering anyone nearby. Ice melts. This doesn't. This electric cooler chills down from room temperature to freezing in just 15 minutes. No ice bags, no lukewarm surprises halfway through the trip. 2 separate zones let you keep drinks cold while meat stays fully frozen at the same time. The massive built-in battery keeps everything chilled for up to 4.3 days without needing a recharge, and you can top it back up via solar, car outlet, wall plug, or USB-C. Two pieces of furniture for the price of one. This outdoor fire pit table pulls double duty, pop the lid off, and you've got a roaring propane fire pit. Drop it back on, and it becomes a full-sized coffee table for entertaining. A simple ignition panel lights the flame instantly and lets you adjust the heat without fussing with knobs, while the included wind guard keeps it burning steady on breezy nights. The stainless steel burner pumps out 50,000 BTU of heat, so it actually keeps you warm rather than just looking pretty. Your walls are blank. Let's fix that. These modular light panels snap together in any shape you can dream up. Lines, grids, zigzags, pixel art, whatever your imagination comes up with. Each panel lights up in vivid RGBIC color, meaning multiple colors can glow independently on a single panel for a truly dynamic look. The app automatically recognizes whatever shape you've built and maps the lighting effects across it intelligently. Pet owners, this one's for you. This full-size upright vacuum was built from the ground up with furry households in mind. The self-detangling brush bar automatically clears wrapped hair as you vacuum. No more stopping to pull clumps off the roller by hand. Powerful Cyclone suction captures dirt, dust, and allergens deep in carpets across 3 different cleaning modes for every floor type. Movie night called, it wants better popcorn. This retro-style air popper pops up to 12 cups of fresh popcorn in minutes, completely without oil, so you can snack without the guilt. Hot air circulation pops over 98% of every kernel, meaning almost nothing goes to waste. It automatically shuts off if it gets too hot, so you can walk away without worrying. The vintage red design looks so good on a counter, it almost doesn't need to make popcorn to earn its place. Almost. Happy Hour just got a serious upgrade. This dual-zone frozen drink maker churns out 2 completely different slushies at the same time, or twists them together for something totally new. No ice, no guesswork. Just press one button, and it automatically figures out the perfect temperature for whatever you've poured in. Leave your phone in your pocket where it belongs. This rugged clip watch gives you the time, an alarm, a stopwatch, and a timer, all packed into a tough little device that clips onto your bag, belt, or pocket. It's water-resistant down to 100 feet, so rain, rivers, and fishing trips are no problem. A built-in backlight means you can read it clearly even in the dead of night. It runs on precise Japanese quartz movement and throws in a bottle opener for good measure. The grid ends at the trailhead. Your power doesn't have to. This compact power station packs enough juice to charge your phone 11 times or your laptop 3 times, all from something that weighs less than a bag of sugar. 4 DC output ports mean you and your whole crew can charge simultaneously without fighting over cables. Run low. A full recharge takes just 1 hour via USB-C. It's built tough with 5 layers of drop protection, so it handles whatever the trail throws at it. Hot days don't care where you are, so neither does this. This rugged outdoor fan packs a serious punch, hitting wind speeds fast enough to actually cut through summer heat. 10 speed settings let you go from a gentle breeze to a full-on gust, and the massive battery keeps it running anywhere from 1.5 to 20 hours on a single charge. Hang it from a tent, mount it on a car, prop it on the ground, or just hold it. It works every way. 2 problems, 1 product. This desk lamp lights up your workspace and charges your phone at the same time. No extra cables needed. The light itself is exceptionally gentle on your eyes, with adjustable color temperatures and 5 dimming levels, so you can dial in exactly the right glow for reading, working, or late-night browsing. A built-in LCD screen displays the time, date, temperature, and even lets you set an alarm. Crumbs. Meet your match. This compact cordless vacuum is built specifically for the kitchen, so no mess stands a chance. Completely wire-free, you can grab it and go wherever the chaos is. No hunting for an outlet. The crevice tool reaches into tight corners between appliance gaps and along counter edges that a cloth just smears around. A 2-in-1 attachment doubles as a wide-mouth scoop or a scraper for stuck-on bits. Small enough to live right on your counter or tuck into a drawer, it's always exactly where you need it. Fizzy drinks made your way. This sleek countertop carbonator lets you turn plain water, or any drink, into a perfectly sparkling creation at home. The Smart Cap gives you full control over how much carbonation goes in, so you can go lightly bubbly or full-on fizzy depending on your mood. A simple twist and lock system makes swapping the CO 2-cylinder fast and mess-free. Summer doesn't have to win. This wearable neck cooler hangs comfortably around your neck and blasts cool air at you from 7 different directions simultaneously. It doesn't just fan you, 366 cooling particles actively pull heat away from your skin, so you actually feel the difference. Flip it to heating mode on cold days, or switch to pure airflow whenever you need a breeze. The massive battery charges from 0 to 80% in just 90 minutes, and can even charge while you're wearing it. Hot commute, outdoor event, sweaty gym. This thing goes wherever you do. What if your front door just knew it was you? This smart lock hides all its technology inside the door, so it looks completely identical to a regular deadbolt from the outside. No bulky box, no giveaway gadgetry, just a clean, normal-looking lock that's secretly brilliant. Unlock it with your phone, your voice, or hand out digital keys to guests without ever cutting a spare. It meets the highest industry security standards, installs with just a screwdriver, and runs on a single battery. Your room has been crying out for better lighting. You just didn't know it yet. This smart table lamp pumps out 16 million colors and 60+ lighting scenes, so the vibe is always exactly right. Dim it down to a warm candlelit glow, or crank it up to crisp daylight, all the way from 1% to 100% brightness. Control it by touch, through an app, or just tell it what to do with your voice. One button, every action, instantly. This studio controller puts your entire workflow at your fingertips, literally. Tap any of its customizable LCD keys to launch apps, switch scenes, trigger sound effects, or go live in one press. The physical dials and touch strip let you adjust volume, lighting, and camera settings without ever breaking focus. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.